Step into the new paradigm.
Yeah.
It's the beginning of the end of the patriarchy.
It's the beginning. It is the beginning of the new paradigm.
So the virtual slow living retreat is this year the 2020 version of our Lady Farmer slow living retreat that we've done for the past 2 years in person.
If there's anything that the world needs right now at this moment, it is community. And it is authentic, real community.
And more Lady Farmers.
And more Lady Farmers, yeah.
And if you're new around here, you might not know, but Lady Farmer in Lady Farmerland doesn't mean you have to be a woman who is a farmer.
Right.
It's the idea of the Lady Farmer, the powerful archetype of the feminine energy cultivating a better world. We have accepted the challenge to recreate that community experience of the weekend and somehow bring it to all of us to be experiencing this thing together at one time, even though we're all spread out. We're doing that in a couple of ways. We have these beautifully curated and assembled gift bags that we're sending to each recipient with items inside that are usable and created from sustainable materials and sourced responsibly, things that we would use ourselves. We are launching our online membership community, which we'll tell you more about that later, but the fun part is that this retreat is kind of going to be the jumping off point of that community. And so by being a part of this retreat, you will automatically join this community, and it's a centralized platform where we will all be together. We'll be able to chat with each other individually and in groups. You can find people based on interest and location, and then based on when you get separated out into your workshops, you'll be able to find each other there. So aside from physically being in the same room, we are really recreating a retreat community experience, and we're just so excited to get to know each and every one of you.
The content we have this year is really, really fabulous. There's a wonderful variety, there's depth, there's information, there's how-tos, helping people create an awareness of what we're using every day, our consumer behaviors, what we're bringing into our homes, what we're putting into our bodies, what we're teaching our children about things we need. These are all things we're going to be looking at very much over the weekend and
Beyond.
Yeah, we're going to tell you about that. We want you to understand that the Lady Farmer Virtual Slow Living Retreat is not just a weekend event, it's a beginning. It's the beginning of your journey in our Lady Farmer community.
If you are interested at all, don't hesitate to sign up. Go to our website at ladyfarmer.com. There's a button at the top that says Retreat. You can read all about the types of workshops we're offering and the workshop leaders, and you can choose your ticket option. You know that you can only join us for one day, then there's an option to buy a one-day ticket. If you can join us for the whole weekend, you can buy the whole weekend ticket. But the best deal is going to be our VIP ticket, because it comes with recordings of every single workshop. And that includes all workshops offered on Saturday, all workshops offered on Sunday, not just the ones that you'll be able to attend. So with that, I think it's important we explain we have a large number of workshops being offered to accommodate for all of the interest, but you will only be attending 2 live or 4, 2 for each day.
Yeah, 2 each day.
And you will select those workshops October 19th. So after ticket sales are closed, then we'll schedule everybody based on when the workshop leaders can teach, and then we will send you your options for the day, and those will be first come, first serve.
And in case you're saying, well, I'm not going to sign up till I see the whole schedule out, don't worry, because even if you can't get a workshop you want, there are ways to have it later, to watch it at your own pace,
Yeah.
or, and on your own schedule.
The best deal, the best way to do that is going to
Yeah.
be the VIP ticket.
The
It's
VIP.
included.
The VIP ticket is crazy. It includes so much stuff. So
Because everyone's a VIP, so we just wanted everyone to be VIP.
yeah, and it also, like, this membership community we're talking about, you'll be in that. If you have the VIP ticket, you'll be in that for an entire year at no extra cost. So, you coming?
Are you coming?